Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Paul. I'm from Taiwan, major in financial. Today my subject is called love. Recently, whenever many disaster and earthquake or war. So I want to take some picture to comfort everybody's heart. I hope no war, no disaster be. Like my photo, just peace and love. Next, I'm going to introduce my photo. Okay, first